In today's world, there are people who are considered wiser than others, and they have a unique way of becoming more intelligent, even if they aren't naturally smarter than everyone else. So, how do they do it? In this video, we're going to explore the silent actions that wise individuals take to gain an edge in society. Stick with us through the video, and you'll discover that in some situations, staying in the background can be more beneficial than standing out. Have you ever wondered what wise people do to become more intelligent than the majority? Join us on this journey, and remember to watch until the end because your presence here is vital. We'll break down this video into several parts, starting with number 1, problem solving and resilience. Wise individuals focus on solving problems instead of complaining about them. It's like an old school philosophy that says we should face life's challenges with calmness and determination. Complaining doesn't get us very far. Intelligent folks analyze problems, think of solutions, and work to solve them. Each attempt to solve a problem teaches them something, making it easier to tackle future challenges. What's more, wisdom involves learning from past experiences, allowing wise people to avoid making the same mistakes repeatedly. They use their failures as opportunities for growth and adjust their strategies based on what has worked before. This practical and thoughtful approach makes wise individuals better at solving problems and making smart decisions, even when they might not have tons of book smarts. So, wisdom isn't just about being smart. It's about using the knowledge you gain throughout your life to make better choices. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. It really helps us out. Thank you. Number 2, learning from other people's mistakes. Wise people take a good look at the mistakes others make. It's a bit like learning from their experiences without them even knowing it. Instead of constantly pointing out others' mistakes and making a big deal out of it, wise individuals quietly observe and learn. Correcting people all the time can create conflicts and push them away. So, it's wiser to watch and learn without always having to speak up. It's a more effective way to grow. Focus on learning from what you see, and it'll help you become better too. Number 3, turning plans into action. Wise people don't wait around for the perfect moment. They understand that there's no such thing as perfect timing. Sure, there are times when waiting is a good idea, like not taking food off the stove before it's ready or not going through a red traffic light. But most of the time, you need to start taking action, even if things aren't ideal. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, your plans won't go anywhere, and you'll end up with just average results. Wise folks don't wait for perfection. They work with what they have, adapt to challenges, and gain experience and maturity through it all. Recognizing and avoiding negative influences. Ever been around someone who just brings everyone down? Wise people recognize these negative influences and keep their distance. Confronting these folks often leads to more trouble. It's like stirring the pot and making things worse. Instead, it's smarter to protect your own peace and well-being by staying away from these individuals. By doing this, you not only safeguard yourself, but also contribute to a more peaceful and positive environment for everyone. So, remember, it's better to maintain a safe distance from toxic people rather than engage in constant conflict. Number 5, the power of observation, the gaze, and nonverbal communication. Ever heard the saying, the eyes are the window to the soul? Well, it's kind of true. The way people look at you can say a lot more than their words. If someone is sharing good news, but their eyes look sad, you'll sense that something's off. Similarly, if someone acts happy for your achievements, but their eyes don't show it, you might sense some jealousy. Observing the way people look at you and their nonverbal cues can help you understand what's really going on, even when they're not saying it outright. It's all about paying attention to those subtle hints and trying to see beyond the surface. Number 6, safeguarding valuable information. Information is like a treasure chest in today's world. Wise people understand this and handle information with care. They don't just spill the beans to anyone. Imagine you have valuable information about a great job opportunity, and if you share it with others, they might use it to their advantage. It's not about them trying to harm you, but they're just looking out for themselves. So, it's better to keep your information private. By doing this, you maintain a competitive edge and gain a reputation for being reliable. People are more likely to share valuable information with someone who doesn't reveal it to the world. This not only benefits you, but also helps build strong, trusting relationships. Number 7, sorting thoughts wisely. Wise individuals take a moment to think about their thoughts and emotions. It's like a daily mental checkup. In our busy lives, external situations can mess with our minds. Let's say you've had a stressful day and it's making you feel angry and upset. In times like these, it's essential to take a moment to figure out which thoughts are constructive and which are destructive. If you catch yourself thinking negatively or wanting to harm someone, it's a sign that you need to change your thought patterns. Instead of dwelling on negative experiences, focus on finding solutions and sources of happiness. Managing your thoughts and emotions is crucial for maintaining good mental health. Number 8, understanding hidden motivations. Wise people are pretty good at reading between the lines. Let's say someone who was distant suddenly becomes your best friend when they get a new job. Chances are they have some hidden agenda. Wise folks are alert to these situations and don't get fooled by the sudden friendliness. It's like having a built-in radar to detect hidden intentions. So, by applying these wise principles to your life, you'll become more disciplined and better at understanding the world around you. So, that's it for this video, and I hope these insights have been helpful to you. Your feedback is important to us, so please leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time.